The date is the 19th of March 2025 and it's now 3:41 a.m. I looked at my microwave oven and the time said 3:33 and I came outside, and even now I just came out to take a video because there was the strange noises everywhere again in there. That's the north and that's the east. Not very loud, but they're very strange. But what is really weird is there's a strange smell in the air. I can't describe it. So it's not like a perfume. It's quite strong. I'm sniffing now. But it's really strange, really weird smell. I've never smelled anything like it before. I can't even describe it. It's like some kind of strange flower that I don't know. It's unbelievable. I just can't describe the smell of. It was a bit strange. The time was 3:33, all the threes. It's a really lovely smell, but I've never smelled anything like it. Obviously supernatural. It's gotta be from Jehovah. That is strong as anything. It's unbelievable. Let's go down here and see if it smells down here. Yeah, I can smell it. You have to be here to smell it. That's if anyone, I mean, Trish's, my friend Trish, it's like a phantom smell. This is a phantom smell. But my friend Trish, she smelt cigarette smoke in my living room once, and I couldn't smell anything. And then another time, she, well, Mum died years ago, but she said there was a strong smell in the room. She says, "Can you smell that smell?" I said, "What is it?" She says, "It's my mum's perfume." Right? And that's what she said to me. But, yeah, I don't know what to say about this. I can still, let me just have a look. I just heard a bird. What was that? I don't know if you can hear it. I just heard two dogs bark when I was out here sniffing the air. And of course, dog backwards is God. Whenever I hear a dog out here and something's going on, I know Jehovah's confirming it. God is confirming that this is a supernatural phantom smell. Still hit, yeah, I cannot even begin to describe it. It's not unpleasant. It's just a nice, I wouldn't say it's quite strong, medium strong. It's weird. It's like a very strange perfume. I don't know. That is strange. I went out the gate there, and I've been out the front door, and it's just strange. But I came out just now because there was noises again in the east. That's Steve's house over the road there. 106 Nightingale Crescent. There's definitely funny noises going around here. I can't describe it. Strange. Can you smell it still? Yeah. It's a beautiful smell, really. It's definitely supernatural. There's my bedroom up there, where I've called my Shroud of Turin document that proves 100% that my son is Jesus Christ in the flesh. Joshua means Jehovah's salvation, and Jesus means Jehovah's salvation. So that's where my operation is. I've called my at the top of my Shroud of Turin document that will take down the Watchtower and the world eventually, I call it Operation Sunrise. And that's through the Gematria. I got some answers through Gematria. And I didn't realise, but there was an Operation Sunrise in World War II. I can't remember the details, but you might want to look that up. I think it was some kind of collaboration between the USA and I can't remember now. There's a noise down here now. Yeah, I can still smell it. It's definitely supernatural, that. It's everywhere. It's out the front. It's out the gate. Why would it fill the whole air everywhere? If it was just a one-off somebody's door open or something, but it's absolutely everywhere. It's saturated. Front door, back door, gate. I've been out into the street. Look at it. Oh, wow. That's pretty strong now. It's nothing I've ever smelt in my life. I can't even describe it as a flower, a perfume, or something else. It's really weird smell. It's so pleasant. It's almost, you can almost tell it's godly smell. I think I'm getting a bit used to it now. Right, I made a cup of tea, so I'm going to go in now. But yeah, I'll put this this to YouTube and see what you think. I'm not making it up. Trouble is, you can't actually prove the smell because you can't have it on video. You've got to be here to smell it. I'll come out in the morning when it's light and see if it does it again tonight, the smell. Anyway, bye for now.